Hello students, in our today's e-lecture, we are continuing with our chapter Perimeter and Area. In our lecture, we will again discuss about the area of parallelogram and rhombus. Now the first question, the height of the parallelogram is 1/3 of the base and area is given to us 108 centimeters square. Find base and height. Now neither base nor height is given, but there is a relation is given to us, that is whatever the height of the base, whatever the height of the parallelogram is, base is 3 times. Yeah, whatever the base is, height is 1/3 of the base. Now as we all know, we have to assume let the base of the parallelogram be x centimeter. If base is x, then height will be x by 3. 1/3 means whatever the height is given to us, or base is given to us, height will be 1/3 of that, that is x by 3. Now area of parallelogram, the formula we all know, base into height. Area is given 108, base is given x, height is x by 3. Now 3 is being division, go for multiplication in LHS. 108 into 3, and x into x we all know x square, not 2x, because they are in multiplication, and in multiplication if the bases are same, the exponents are going to add. So 1 plus 1, 2. This is 324. Now how to find this value of x? Look students, if this is in the square here, we have to find this variable x which is in the square. We have to convert this 324 into a number whose square is equal to 324. If you directly know, that is very much good. Otherwise you can find the prime factorization. 2 ones are 1, 2 6 are 12, 2 81, 3 27, 3 9, 3 3 3. Now you have to make the grouping of 2 2, because you have to find the square root. All the numbers are in group. Take one number from each group. 2 from second group, 3 from third group, 3. 2 3s are 6, 3s are 18. In this way you can find the square of any number, like square root 18 square. Now you can cancel off this square because both the terms are in square, so we can equate the bases. So by equating the bases, otherwise you can equate the base, you can write, otherwise you can cancel it off, you can write x is equal to 18. You find out the value of base. So base is equal to 18 centimeter and height is 1/3 of the base. The 1/3 of 18 is 6 centimeter. Now the next question, area of the rhombus is 119 centimeter square and the perimeter is given to us. As we all know, area of the rhombus is base into height, but neither base nor height is given to us. Neither the relation is between them, that is not given to us. What is given to us, that is perimeter. So what we can find out from this perimeter? I have told you a rhombus is a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal, and the perimeter is the length of the boundary of these 4 sides. If you are going to add the length of this boundary of 4 sides, side plus side plus side plus side will get the perimeter of the rhombus, and side plus side plus side plus side is 4 into side. That is the perimeter of the rhombus, that is given to us 56 centimeter. So we can find out the side, that is 56 by 4, and the side of the rhombus we have taken out 14 centimeter. Now the next step, area of rhombus, which we all know, base into height. Base or side both have the same meaning. If you want to write it as the base here, 4 into base, that is also same, base into height, because the base is the side of the rhombus. Now area is given to us 119, height is given to us, base is given to us 14, and height we have to find it out. To find the height, this 14 is being in multiplication, will go for division. 119 by 14, and your answer is approximately, it will not come exact, it will come in decimals, 8.5 centimeter. The height of the rhombus is 8.5 centimeter. Now the next question, one side and the corresponding altitude of a parallelogram are 50 centimeter and 8 centimeter. If the other altitude is 4 centimeter, find the length of the other pair of parallel side. Now this is a parallelogram. I am drawing just figure to let you understand what are given to us. What is given? The side 50 centimeter and this corresponding altitude to this side 8 centimeter, that is given to us. Other altitude, this is 4 centimeter and we have to find this side, the side of this parallelogram. Now side is given to us. Side, if you want to name a side of parallelogram, that is 50 centimeter. Height or the base altitude of the parallelogram, that is 8 centimeter. So we can find out the area of parallelogram, that is base into height. 50 into 8, that is 400 centimeter. It's 400 centimeter square. Now how we can find out this base, this side? One thing is clear, the parallelogram is same. If you are taking this base and the corresponding height, or either this base or this height, the area of parallelogram will remain same. Means if you are taking this base, okay, I am going to name it as ABCD. We have taken side AB already, we have taken, and the base we have taken DE. The height, that is, we have taken DE. Now if you are taking the base, this BC, and this height DF, the area will remain same. So you are going to use this formula, area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Now base is BC and the height will be DF. Area is same, that is 400 centimeter square. The base BC we have to find it out, and DF is given 4 centimeter. So BC will be 400 by 4, that is 100 centimeter. So we have taken out both the length, that 100 centimeter. So home assignment for today, you have to complete your worksheet 3 complete chapter 11.